Alright, we're going? Alright. This is Pliskin. We're at the range today shooting the 243. My dad just got done shooting the 100 grain hand loads, and because he wanted to see what they would do. And these are 80 grain hand loads from December. So I'm going to shoot these in the bottom right hand corner of the target to see what the difference is between the two loads. Alright. I love the smell of gunpowder. I've always loved the smell of gunpowder. Alright. So far so good. Looks like it's doing pretty well down there to me. That one flew. And one more. Alright, that was 5 shots of the 80 grain bullets. We'll see how they compared to the 100 grain.